Hello everybody from McLean, Virginia. This is Dr. Kevin Blumenthal, Senior Physician from Natural Transplants, Maryland practice, and we are pleased to deliver world-class hair transplant services to McLean and the surrounding Fairfax County out of our McLean Hair Transplant Consultation Facility. We have thrilled patients from Franklin Park, Arlington, Tyson's Corner, Falls Church, Herndon, Reston, and beyond. What separates us from the rest is that we focus on three important factors in our hair transplant practice. One, our unmatched hair implantation technique. Two, our patient care before, during, and after surgery. And number three, competitive costs. We don't try to sell products, we don't try to sell gadgets, so we don't have any conflict of interest, which keeps our costs down. So please call us, we'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to help you along your journey. Take care.